Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Today what I'm going to show you is how I make my peach flavored pork loin roast in my crock pot. So the ingredients that you'll need: 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Here's 1, 2. To this I'll add in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, a half a teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 of a teaspoon of the crushed red pepper. It's the crushed red pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of the yellow mustard, there's 1, and the second one, to a tablespoon of minced garlic, to 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce. I'll pour that in. Now I'll mix this before I get my peach juice. So I'm just mixing it until it's well combined, and I'm scraping the bowl as I'm mixing. Now I'll go get my peach juice. I have 1 cup of peach juice, and how I got this peach juice is I had some canned peaches and I saved the juice. So I'll pour that in. Now I'll mix this until it's well combined. This is when I'm going to marinate the roast pork overnight before I place it in my crock pot. And this is what the marinated sauce looks like. After I marinated my pork roast overnight, I'll place all this in my crock pot. I have a 2.5 pound pork loin roast. Now I'll take my marinated sauce, pour it on top, cover it with plastic wrap, and place this in my refrigerator overnight. So on goes the plastic, and into the fridge it goes. And let it marinate overnight. Now that my pork loin has marinated overnight, this recipe works best if you marinate the pork overnight. I'll remove the plastic wrap. I'll place this pork inside my crock pot. So I have my crock pot. I'll put it on high. I'll take my pork loin. I'll place it in. So my crock pot is on high. The pork loin's inside. The juices that are left, I'm going to pour right on top of the pork loin. Put all that beautiful flavor in there. I'll put the lid on. And I'll let this cook for about 2 to 2.5 hours, then I'll check on it. Now I'll check on my pork. What I'm going to do now is flip it over. Mix the sauce around. I'll give it another hour. I want to make sure that this pork is fully cooked. So now I'll put the lid back on. So what I'm going to do now is slice into it. Look at how nice that looks. I'll be serving this pork with green beans and rice. So what I'm going to do now is just give it a try. I'll cut into a little bite. That's some good flavor on that pork. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watch me make my peach flavored pork. Give it a try. It's really flavorful. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.